Good morning, third graders. It is March 24th. I think this is day 7 of our NTI packets. Whew, y'all are doing such an awesome job. Today we're going to, looking at math, our target says I can interpret the products of whole numbers. So interpret just means understand and apply and figure out the answers to multiplication problems, because we know that product is the answer to a multiplication sentence. So we're going to use some language there to interpret these questions and then help us solve. So number 1, we can just go ahead and do this one together. It says interpret the product of 4 and 3. It says show how you solve the problem in the space below. So interpret the product of 4 and 3. So really what that says, we're trying to figure out the product of 4 times 3. So this in the space here is where we show our strategies in this box. Okay? Then you're just going to put your answer right here. Okay? All right. So 4 times 3, you all know I love skip counting, so we could skip count by 4 3 times or 3 4 times. You can also draw equal groups, and then you could do repeated addition. So let's skip count, and then we'll go through the other ones as well. So skip count, let's do 4 3 times. So 4, then 4 plus 4, 4. Put 4 in your head. 5 6 7 8. Put 8 in your head and count on 4 more. 9 10 11 12. So our product is going to be 12. So then you'd put 12 right there if you wanted to put it right there too. That's great. If we did repeated addition, we could do this one, right? 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. You could have also added 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is essentially what we do when we skip count, but you all know the drill. And then if we did equal groups, if we did 4 groups of 3, count them all up, we would get 12. I want us to kind of migrate from using this one, because in 4th grade, your multiplication facts are going to be a lot bigger, so you're not going to have as much time. It's going to take too long. So I would encourage the repeated addition or the skip counting if you don't have them memorized. For example, like this one, 7 times 9, if you draw equal groups, that's going to take up a ton of space and it's going to take a long time. But if you skip count, it's going to be a lot quicker, unless you remember your 9's trick, because we have a 9 there. Okay, looking on down the page, you all can do number 2. You just have to use a similar strategy like we practiced in number 1. Question 3 says your teacher has the packages of pencils shown below. Write a multiplication equation that would help you interpret the product. So you're writing the equation. So you're going to do something times something equals something. That's what you do there. And that's what you're going to do the same thing on this one as well. So use the picture, use what you're given in both of these to help you figure out what your multiplication sentence would be. And then our exit slip today says interpret the product of 9 and 4. So part A, so you do like a part A right here. Write the equation. Okay, and then part B, what is the product of 9 and 4? So that's where you put the answer. And then C, you're going to use a model to explain your thinking. That just means show your work. Show your work. So show what strategy you use to solve. Let us know if you have any questions. We are happy to help you today.